Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name's Ani, and I'm here to guide you through how to use Discord. Before we begin, I'll explain how these tutorials will be set up. There will be a few sections designed to group together similar topics, and each topic will receive its own video. These tutorials have been set up so that you can begin wherever you need, either as a new student or someone who's been on the platform for years. Section 1 will consist of an explanation of what Discord is and a detailed tutorial on how to get started. This is what we'll be covering. I'll begin with explaining what Discord is. After that, I'll show you how to get onto the platform by downloading the app and signing up. This will be followed by how to join servers and friend people. To wrap everything up, I'll show you how to use Discord so you can chat with friends.